guys, andito kami ngayon sa Atlas Coal Mine. So, ito yung ano nila, parking area. Kunti pa ang tao kasi maaga pa siya. So, yun, pupunta kami doon sa area na yun. Parang may entrance fee ata. Hindi ko alam. Kasi nakaano sila doon, nakastock sila. So, pupunta kami dyan. Oh, ang ganda ng view niya. Ano?
I'm going to be your tour guide, your train conductor. I'm really not that picky. Call me whatever you want. And before we get started, I always think it's important to know. Old, so she's been around for a while, and we want to keep her around so we can keep doing fun tours like this. And part of keeping her around is knowing how to get onto Linda safely. Now, I'm just going to start by saying you guys are more than welcome to sit wherever you'd like in the train, except the locomotive, of course. That's my seat. But I will just let you know that the further back you sit, so all the way down here, the louder and the bumpier it gets. So if you don't love loud noises and you don't really want to be thrown around too much, I'm just going to recommend that.
Hello, Linda. Linda.
Hi, Linda.
Linda.
Now, the trapper, they were always underground. They were always at these gates. It was their only job to get them open in the train. So because of that, how old do you think you had to be a trapper?
Delikado na yun dyan kasi tema.
Ito yung coal cutters, guys. Grabing laki ng pang coal cutters nila dati, oh. Pero grabe na din yung gamit nila before, ah. Ayan. Yung isa, ano yun? Yan, yung alam, no?